Today we are discussing the compound propositions and truth tables. So we have already discussed in the previous class, that is a compound proposition is obtained by the adding the connectives. Compound proposition is the proposition obtained by adding the connectives, and we combine the two or more propositions here. So a compound proposition which is obtained by combining the two or more proposition by adding the connectives, and that is called compound proposition. A proposition obtained by adding the connectives. That is called the compound proposition. So now the truth value of the compound proposition. The truth value of compound proposition is obtained from the truth value of the compound propositions, as we know, is will be obtained by. So the truth value of the compound proposition is obtained by or obtained from the truth value of components. For example, I am taken an example. Bangalore is in Karnataka, and also 8 is a prime number. These are the statements. Those are called the simple propositions. Here the Bangalore is in Karnataka is a one statement, and 8 is a prime number, that is another one sentence. Those are called also the propositions. If we combine these two propositions with the different phrases like a not, or, and, if, then, and if and only if, such a kind of the phrases will be used to convert it to the compound proposition. So the truth value of that compound proposition is obtained by these truth value of these components. Means to find out the compound proposition truth value, we have to be obtained the compound proposition truth value from the truth value of these components. So we also know that construction of the truth value of a compound proposition means a table is constructed. For knowing the truth value of compound proposition. So we construct a table to know the truth value of this compound proposition. Such a table is called truth table. That table is giving the truth value of the compound proposition in terms of the component part. That table is called truth table. That table will be help us to find the truth value of the compound propositions. So that is called truth table. So compound proposition means the proposition, a new proposition is obtained by adding the two or more propositions. Those will be adding by the connectives, and the truth value of this compound proposition is obtained from the truth value of the components. So to construct the table to know the truth value of the compound proposition, so in terms of its component part, that is called the truth table of the compound, or simply the truth table of the propositions. So in that there are different kinds of the propositions. We have already different kind of the compound propositions are there with their truth tables. So in that the first one is negation. That is one of the different kind of the compound propositions, one of the type of the compound propositions. So what is the meaning of negation? So here a compound proposition is obtained. Negation means the compound proposition is obtained by adding the word not. By adding the word not at an appropriate place in the given proposition. That is called a negation of the given proposition. So the negation of the given proposition is denoted by, suppose P is your given proposition. So negation of the proposition is denoted by the symbol, this one. This is called negation of P, and we also read it as not a P. Not a P. Suppose example, 8 is a prime number. 8 is a prime number. Suppose this one is your proposition P. So negation of P means we have to use the word not in the given proposition to convert into the compound proposition. And we have to use the word not at an appropriate place. 8 is not a prime number. We have to use the word not at a appropriate place. 8 not a prime, not is a prime number. That is not a correct sentence. Means sentence should be in the complete meaning. Meaningful sentences will be formed by adding the word not at an appropriate place. So that kind of the propositions are called the negation of the proposition. So negation of the proposition, I am taking a one more example here. Consider statement P. 6 is an even number. 6 is a even number. Then the negation of P is 6 is not a even number. And one more example. Milk is black. Consider a Q. Milk is black. Then negation of P is milk is not a black. Milk is not a black. And now I am constructing the truth table for the negation. What is the truth table? Suppose P is your sentence. Suppose the sentence is true. That is the symbol 1. Then the negation of P is, if 6 is a prime number, then the negation of P is 6 is not a prime number. Means if P is true, then the negation of P is false. Suppose P is false. Suppose milk is black. Then the negation of Q is milk is not a black. Suppose Q is false. Negation of Q is true. That means if the statement is true, then the negation of the statement is false. If the statement is false, then the negation of the statement is true. So there is a negation of statement. And we also call the rule. Rule 1 indicates if a proposition P is true, then its negation is false. If P is false, then its negation is true. That is the rule 1. That is rule 1 states that if a proposition is true, then its negation is false. If P is false, then its negation is true. So that is the rule 1 based on the negation. So next proposition is conjunction. So conjunction is also the one of the compound proposition which is obtained by combining the two propositions by using the word and. By using the word and. Suppose P and Q or the two propositions, and those two propositions are adding by the word and, by using the connective and we denote that by P and Q, and that will be read as P and Q. If P and Q are the two sentences or two propositions or combined by using the word and, then it is indicated by the symbol P and Q, and that is also read as P and Q. Suppose I am taking an example P. Here I am taking an example, a sentence P, 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square, and also the sentence Q, Bangalore is the capital of India. And also I am taking one more sentence or one more proposition. All the triangles are equilateral. And also one more, 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Suppose these are the some propositions. Suppose we make P and Q. Suppose if we take P and Q. P and Q indicates 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. And Bangalore is the capital of India. Bangalore is the capital of India. Here see that P is true and Q is false. See here, P is true, Q is false. Then P and Q is false. If P is true and Q is false, then P and Q is false. Same as it is Q and R. See here, Q is false. Q is false. And R is false. R is false. If P is false, if Q is false, R is false, then Q and R is false. On the same manner, R and S. Here, R is false and S is true. If R is false, S is true, then R and S is false. Same as it is S and P. S is true and P is true. Then S and P is true. S and P is true. So I am going to construct now the truth table for the conjunction. So here taking the P and Q propositions, and we have to write down the proposition of the P and Q. Suppose both P and Q are true. Suppose both P and Q are true, then the P and Q is true. Suppose P is true, Q is false, then P and Q is false. Suppose P is false, Q is true, then P and Q is false. Suppose P is false, Q is false, then P and Q is also false. So here in the conjunction we take the rule 2 that state that P and Q is true only if both P and Q are true, and it is false all in other cases. So P and Q is true only if both P and Q are true, and otherwise it will be false in all other cases. So that is the meaning of conjunction. Conjunction means if P and Q are the two prepositions and we combine the preposition by the word and. For example, if 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square and the statement Q is Bangalore is the capital of India. So that we can construct 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square and Bangalore is the capital of India. That is how to write the compound preposition by the connective and we indicate it by the symbol, this one, P, and this symbol indicates and we read it as P and Q. Here some examples will be indicated to find out the truth value of the proposition. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 and Bangalore is the capital of India. Here P is true and Q is false. If P is true, Q is false, P and Q is false. Next one, Q and R. If Q is false, here the Q is false and R is false. If Q is false and R is false, then Q and R is false. R and S. If R is false, S is true, then R and S is false. Next, S and P. S is a true statement and P is a true. If S and P are true, then S and P is true. So in generally, we write the truth table for P, Q, P and Q. If P and Q are true, then P and Q is true. If P is true, Q is false, P and Q is false. P is false, Q is true, P and Q is false. P is false, Q is false, P and Q is false. So that is the rule states that P and Q is true only if both P and Q are true, and it will be false in all other cases. So next we are moving to the disjunction. So in the today's class we have discussed what is the meaning of compound preposition and what is the truth table and what is the negation and what is the conjunction. So once again I am just recalling, compound preposition means a preposition is obtained by adding the connectives. Truth table means a truth table will be constructed to know the truth value of the compound preposition in terms of the component part. So negation means a compound preposition is obtained by adding the word not. If P is true, then the negation of P is false. If P is false, negation of P is true. That is the rule 1. So next one is conjunction. A preposition is obtained by using the connective and. So here the two prepositions are adding by the preposition and. So and it will be indicated by the symbol P and Q. And the truth table of the compound preposition is, so if both P and Q are true, then only P and Q is true, and it will be false in all other cases.